Today I'm going to show you how I came up with what I think is a unique solution for tool storage. I had taken a cap off of this truck, put a tonneau cover on, and what I found is that toolboxes that go into tonneau covers run probably $400 or $500, and I didn't want to spend that much. I keep a decent amount of tools, but it's not enough to warrant spending that much. So I came up with a solution that I think works really well. For me, it does at least. It's pretty simple and it's inexpensive, probably around $70 or less, to give you some extra under cap or under tonneau storage. Let me go on and show you what I did and how I did it. Here's the parts that I used for this project. I ordered these baskets off of Amazon. These are the bronze ones. They're about 2 for $26. There's silver ones that are cheaper, I think about 2 for $22. I opted to go with the bronze, spend a little more. So, you know, $52 into the project already. I also ordered from Amazon these T-nuts. These T-nuts are sold for Tacomas and Tundras, but I think they'll probably fit just about any truck that has cargo rails. Now, of course, once you get the T-nuts, you need bolts for them, and I went to a local hardware store, got these bolts, 3/8 by 16 by 3/4 inch long. The next thing I ordered was the washers. I didn't order them, I bought these just to hold everything together. And I'll be doing something to these washers to make sure it all works correctly. Now the clips that I bought, I didn't use. I thought I would need them to hold the basket securely, but as it turns out, once these are installed, the baskets are actually fairly secure. They don't bounce. They don't have any bounce at all. So I told you earlier I was going to show you a little trick, nothing complicated or crazy. It's just a quick way to hold these baskets onto the rails. So let me show you real quick what I'm going to do, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so you can see my vise here. I'm going to take these rubber doohickeys off. They actually are quite handy enough for this. And we've got this washer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of a bend in the washer. Nothing insane. Just above where the hole is. Bending a washer. So I'm going to go ahead and put a basket on the rail towards the cab of the truck. The first thing we need to do is remove this little cap. They're real easy. You can press them, pull them out. It's that simple. The next thing I'm going to do is get some T-nuts ready. Slide them in here. And you can see if you pull them forward, wiggle them around, they're a lot easier to move around. Got that one in there. Get another one. And now for the fun part, which is getting the bolts threaded with the T-nuts in there through the basket. So, take this basket, get a bolt through here. Actually, it seems like it might be a pain in the butt, but it's not as bad as it looks. I say that. Let's start with this one. If I wasn't being lazy, I'd grab a screwdriver, put it behind the T-nut, just to push it forward enough to get it started. So that one got started. That wasn't too bad. This one probably just need to pop it out here. That one's going to be a pain. And got it started. Just gonna move them out a little bit from the edge. Got some space to work with here. And, grab my 9/16 inch wrench and just snug it up. But you see, it's pretty sturdy. Got that one up, this one up. I've got one more to put up, and after that, we'll start getting some stuff in there. And then after that, I'm gonna put the truck cover on, the roll-up cover. I won't make a video of that. There's like 1,000 videos, but that'll protect anything that I put inside these baskets. And before I forget, there's one last thing to do. Let's put this cap back on. In case you didn't catch it, I did miss one thing, and that's these washers. I've got the bend in them for a specific reason, and that is to hook over the top lip, like so. See if you can see that. Kind of shaky, but that little bend is over the top lip of the basket, and it's just to hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and retighten these with the washer in the correct position. Nice and solid. Here's the end result. So these baskets have worked out pretty well. They really work better if you've got some sort of cover on the truck, obviously, especially if you bounce around a lot. But I did take the truck out after installing the baskets and the tools, and everything stayed in place. Nothing bounced out. Of course, I had the cover down. Give you a little bit of a closer view as to what this looks like. You'll see one of the baskets there with screwdrivers, wrenches, and a couple of pliers. I really like this. This turned out to be a really inexpensive solution for what could have been an expensive problem. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you got anything or if you liked it, give it a like and make sure to subscribe.